Sorry, I'm making a video later. I forgot to make one yesterday. Yesterday I was moving and packing and stuff. Helping, yeah. But I thought right now would be a great time to make a video while my dad's inside Walmart. I don't even know where we're at, man. But I thought I might want to show you guys. I don't know who that was. What are you doing, puppy? This is my video. Make your own. But yeah. So I thought I might want to show you guys something that I just don't get. Like, I think it's pretty cool, but at the same time, it's pretty weird at the same. Alright. I don't know if you can see this or not, but all those little dots on that line are birds. They're all birds. Birds, 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 birds. There's even birds right there. They're everywhere over there. And they got a lot on top of that building. Look! See, look at this. Look at this. It's madness. And then over there on that ground, I don't know if you can see it, but those little black dots. Oh, hey, wait. What if I took that off? Did that help? No. Oh my gosh. There's birds everywhere. I don't know if... They're all over here. You see all those birds? I don't even know. Oh, whoa. Look. Oh my gosh. Do you see those black dots in the air? Those are all birds. You can't see them right now, but they're legit flying. There's a lot. Oh my gosh. Just like 200 birds. 200 birds just left. And I can see. What are you? Excuse me, this is my video. But there's 200 birds that legit just flew away and did nothing. I'm being legit. There's so many birds all around these lines. Oh, that was probably not cool of me to keep zoomed in. I don't know if you can see, but over there, there's just a bunch of birds all over there. And then there's just one that flies away. But there's all these birds on that line. Oh my gosh, they go all the way. And where do they stop at? They stop right over here. Bruh, there's so many birds. So, still haven't hit 20 subs yet. Or, no. Not subscribers. Not subscribers. If we can get 20 likes on this video, and the last video, because I'll be checking. Bruh, man, just look at all that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Dude, there's all... What the heck? Dude, that's like a lot of birds. That's really... Type in the comments how many birds you think there are here. Seriously. I should zoom out. There we go.
Type in the comments of how many birds do you think there is. I'm gonna go back and look at the video and see what it